Hey guys, Maddie from Built Right here. Today we're going to be installing the Built Right replacement Ford BoxLink plate. In this kit you're going to get a BoxLink plate along with 4 tap-tight screws. Now we're going to go ahead and install the Built Right replacement BoxLink plates here on the F-150. To complete this install, you'll need thread cutting oil of some type and a T30 TORX bit. We'll be using a Milwaukee impact driver with a T30 TORX bit on it. So if you're going to do this by hand, you continue threading the bolt all the way in. If you have an impact, once you get the threads most of the way buried, you can go So after we back that screw back out, you guys can see that we now have really clean threads in the soft aluminum insert, and you're just going to repeat this process on all 4 of the inserts for each BoxLink plate that you're going to be installing. So once we have all of the threads created in the inserts, you could start by just getting one screw going.